Campaigning is in its last phase as Ghaziabad is all set to go to polls now in less than a fortnight. But BJP candidate from Ghaziabad is confident of a victory. In an exclusive interview to Times Now, General VK Singh is spelling out his poll agenda while on a campaign trail.
He retired as the army chief in 2012 and now he's donning a politician's hat. Making his debut this election on a BJP ticket is retired General VK Singh, ready to take on his opponents in Ghaziabad.
Don't enter into a battle and work out as to what the chances are. This is something for which one is working, and one is trying to ensure that everything comes out successful in the end.
And he's taking the fight to his two high-profile opponents, Shazia Ilmi of the Aam Aadmi Party and Raj Babbar of the Congress.
One particular party is giving tremendous amount of money all over. They're spreading the money. And I think the task given is how to buy people and see if they can stop me in my endeavor to win the hearts of people.
Even coming down heavily on the government for keeping the Navy headless for over a month.
I find that this is actually decision paralysis. I don't think it is a difficult decision at all. What is so difficult? I mean, you have a couple of people, you know what the qualifications are for making the chief, you know what exactly has happened. Why can't they appoint one?
In 10 days' time, Ghaziabad is all set to go to polls and General VK Singh is making sure he gives everyone else a run for their money.
One of the major factors why he's getting the votes is because he's a former army chief and hugely respected for his integrity. Srinjoy Chaudhary in Ghaziabad for Times Now.